Mason, say Lily. Lily and Rascal waiting for you. Rascal wants to throw. Yeah, Rascal wants us to throw the toy. And Lily. Say Lily. Mason, say Lily. Mason, say Lily. Yes, Doggy says ruff ruff. Doggy say ruff ruff. Say hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. I know. Gee, that's a camera hog. Back up. Back up.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No, good job.
Dog.
Dog, yeah.
No.
Say Lily. Lily. No, you said earlier, say Lily. That's Rascal. Say Rascal. You done, Lily? No, you're not going out there. You going to throw it for Rascal? He wants you to throw it. Oh. Rascal, get it? Say Lily. Lily. Say Lily. There, Lily. Did you go pet Lily? Her wants you pet her. Her wants you pet her. Aww. Okay, you want to say bye-bye, puppies? Say bye-bye, puppies. Bye-bye. Good job. Oh, you say Lily now? What are you doing? What, baby? You tell him. Say no, no. Tell him. No, no. Yeah, Rascal's toy. Yeah. Where are you going? He's hot. He's hot. Yeah, it's hot. It's not safe for you to be outside when this is hot. No, no, no. Get out of their food. It's going to be hot on your feet. Oh, yeah. You felt it. Oh, Rascal. Okay. Inside we go.